Student cheats on final exam. It's like 11:39 p.m. in the night right now, so you have to be extremely quiet.
Okay, everybody, let's open our books to page 33.
Yes! Got him!
Who wants to answer question 17?
If you look on the screen, he's like the only person, as you can see, that has his camera and his mic muted in the class playing games. Know that in the comfort of your home, it's easily to be distracted.
How about Michael?
He took my kill.
Hey, Michael, it's showing me that you're on mute and your camera's off. You there?
Subcar, let's go.
Hey, Jaden, you know where your brother is?
Let me go check.
Move that way. No.
Mikey! What are you doing? Mr. Wilson's calling you.
Oh, shoot. Unmute. Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Michael, we can hear you now.
Good.
What have you been doing?
Oh, sorry. My computer was acting up. Finally working now.
Okay, good. I hate when that happens. Just let's make sure that we got everything ready for tomorrow's final exam.
Okay.
Go ahead, answer question 17 on page 33.
Okay.
How was school today?
Fine, I guess.
What'd you learn?
Jaden, you can tell her.
I learned nothing today, so Jaden, take the honor.
Geometry.
That sounds nice. Oh,
Hey, Mom. Can you get us the new PS5? I mean, summer vacation is next week, and I'll have a lot of free time.
well, how about if you both get A's on your math final, then I'll buy it for you. How does that sound?
Really? You may as well buy it for us now, because I'm gonna ace that test.
I like that confidence. I gotta take this.
How do you expect getting A's, Mo, if you haven't been paying attention in class? You should at least be studying with me.
Studying is for losers. Besides, I don't do things the hard way.
What's your plan then?
To do things the easy way. Check this out.
Is this
Our math final. I found it online, so now I have all the answers.
What? That's cheating.
It's not cheating. It's called taking a shortcut. I mean, how else do you think people succeed in life?
Mikey, there are no shortcuts to success. You have to do things the right way. Now come on, there's still time if you just study with me.
Did you not hear me? I have all the answers already. I don't need to study, and neither do you. So, I'll just give you the link, and
No, that's okay. I'm not gonna cheat.
suit yourself. Hey, Mom, if Jaden doesn't get an A, but I do, can I still get the PS5?
Well, I guess so, but then Jaden wouldn't be able to play.
That's fine with me. Means I won't have to share.
Everyone gets 1 hour to complete the test, and... Hey, Michael, your camera still isn't on.
I'm sorry, Mr. Wilson. Let me try it again. I don't know why it's not working. Sure it will. Ugh, I'm trying to turn it on, but it won't.
Okay. It's fine, I guess. Everyone has 1 hour to complete the exam. I'm starting it now. Good luck, everyone.
Mikey compares the final exam to all the questions on the website, and sure enough, they're all the same. He happily answers all the questions. And then, a few days later, Mikey gets a big surprise.
Can I play?
No, get your own iPad.
Mom, he's not letting me play again.
Mikey, you have to share the iPad with your brother.
But I don't want to. And when are we gonna get our PS5?
Well, did you both get A's on your final exams?
Well, we haven't got our report cards back, but I guarantee you I did. So, can we please get the PS5?
Okay, I guess so.
What? Did she really get us the PS5?
I can't believe it! She got it! I get to play first.
No, you won't.
Oh my gosh, you got it!
Yes, But nobody gets to play until I see your exams.
I can 100% promise you that
I'll get it.
Who could that be?
Mr. Wilson, what are you doing here?
I just feel like this kid got everything incorrect.
Not at all. Is everything okay?
Yes, yeah, I just came by to let you know that Jaden got a 100% on his math final.
I did?
Highest score in the school.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. What about Mikey?
Well, Michael also got all of his answers correct.
See, Mom,
But-
I told you I was gonna get an A. Now I can open this.
0%? This is an F.
Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas.
I don't get it.
Well, as I was saying, Michael got all of his answers correct. If those answers were from this website that I created.
You made that?
Yep. See, ever since we started distance learning, a lot of kids have been cheating. So I put up this website, put all the questions to my final exam on it, but mixed up the answers.
You did?
I did. So you see, Michael, you failed my final exam. I'll be seeing you in my class again next year.
Mikey, how could you do such a thing?
I'm sorry. I thought I could take a shortcut, that's all.
You know better than that. There are no shortcuts to success. You have to do things the right way.
But tell him again. Preach, sister.
Please, don't yell at me.
Yell at you? Oh, no, you are in much bigger trouble than that, young man. You are grounded the entire summer.
What? No!
That means no iPad, no computer, and you are not touching that PS5.
That is so not fair.
Jaden, those are for you to play with, and you do not have to share.
Yes! That's so unfair!
Go to your room. Now. Just wait till I tell your dad about this. I am so sorry. I will make sure he learns his lesson.
I can see that. Sorry to have been the bearer of bad news. Hey, Jaden. Great work.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I'll be upstairs talking to your brother if you need me.
Wait, would you mind helping me set this up first?
Sure. You deserve it. Okay, what do we got here?
There are no shortcuts to success. You have to do things the right way. And what I've learned, never ever try to cheat on your exam because you end up like Mikey here, who got grounded for the whole summer. This dude got hooked. Oh my God. My heart.